Welcome back, guys. It's been a few months since I made a video. I think it was June or July. I put my last one out. It's been a very busy summer, working on a lot of projects here. Still have the 912 project, still have the 914. Those have been kind of backburnered to make room for some new things that I think can go a little quicker. I want to make a brief video of what I'm working on right now. So I'll show you my new projects, and I'll run over a project I'm working on for a friend of mine. It's a 67 912. That's kind of taken precedence over everything else right now. I've had it since July, and it's getting a lot of metal work done, fixing stuff that the previous owner did a poor job doing, so I'm doing a less poor job than he did and get rid of the rust. So also cover the awesome elephant in the room in this video a little bit, and I'll probably make my own video for that. Maybe do some stuff with that too. I don't know. The 67 912 I've been working on. Got a couple months into it, a lot of hours of work. Let's start front to back. Been working on the nose panel here, some custom fab work replacing the bottom end. Front suspension pan, a lot of new metal there. Gas tank support, some rear suspension pan patches. The car has new floors, but there is some shoddy work, kind of looking like the last welds I just showed you, and some daylight you can see through, which I need to fix that too. It's next on my list here. Some work completed on the inside. New rocker panel, doing my best to achieve a factory door gap. I am pretty happy with that. Still need to buy a lighting kit and take care of the lighting there. And the big ticket items here are the new quarter panels. These are factory 67 narrow body panels. I built some 911R hinges, replica hinges for this, for the engine light. Working on some patches in the engine bay, left and right. That's a factory patch right there from my parts car. This will be getting 911 mounts as well soon. Parcel tray is also brand new. I have to probably put another 40 hours of work into this, and we'll be in business. Definitely really honored to be working on somebody's car to this extent, and it's been a lot of fun and a good learning experience for myself for more 911s to come. Cool. Here is my 1971 Land Cruiser FJ40. The truck has plenty of rust, just like I like them. It's enough to keep me busy for a while, but not a huge project. It has a factory 1F engine and is completely stock except for an exhaust header. It's clocked at 24,000 miles. I'm assuming since it's a Toyota, that's probably 324,000. Typically, the rear end of the truck is in pretty bad shape. The quarter panels, tailgate, bed, everything needs replaced. The hardtop itself is pretty rough. Each panel has some rust that needs repaired, but the glass is in nice shape. And unlike any project car I've pretty much ever bought, this car actually fires up and drives. At least it turns on, it goes into gear, smokes like Cheech and Chong, but it kind of works. Finally, here is a clip of the official first start of the motor and my first attempted drive.